fantastic. An unauthorized biography called Sleep and Die. Take it away.
Sleep and Die, an unauthorized biography by Rob. Chapter 1. It was late at night at General Hospital. Dr. McGibbon was walking the corridors, checking in on patients. He came to room 666.
Sorry about that. That was my bed.
It is really hot in here.
Yeah, I can't help that. Sorry. I may have slightly set fire to this bed.
Dr. McGibbon looked at the patient, Ellie, who was known for causing trouble. He scolded her as he usually does.
Ellie, we've been over this.
We have.
All right? If you want to fake a temperature, there are way easier ways to do it.
He kept scolding her while the room was on fire, consuming them slowly.
Yeah. Okay, maybe I went a little too far this time.
Well, I'm beginning to think perhaps we should address the fire.
Eventually, the fumes overcame him. He passed out on the floor. Allie took out her emergency oxygen as usual.
Oh man, my insurance is definitely not gonna cover this. Here you go, Doc.
She smiled and ran out the room, leaving McGibbon alone with no oxygen whatsoever.
Okay, keep me tight.
Chapter 2. Tex Matheson has been assigned to investigate the suspicious death of Dr. McGibbon.
Dr. McGibbon. The doctor.
She looks at him lying on the floor in the burnt-out hospital room.
Wow, I wonder if he set this fire himself. That would make some sense, but maybe not. Dr. McGibbon.
Tex had been hitting the whiskey pretty hard that day, apparently.
McGibbon? McGibbon.
At this point, Tex looks at the bed and sees the patient file who is there that somehow mysteriously did not get burned in the fire.
Ha! There was a patient here who mysteriously did not get burned in the fires.
She recognizes the name of Ellie MacGyver.
Ellie Ellie! Damn it, it's always Ellie! I knew it!
Tex had read about Ellie, who takes out massive life insurance policies on people and kills them for the money.
I wonder how much insurance she got you for, Doc. If only you could talk to me and tell me how much insurance she took out on you.
Well, I'd love to do so, but I'm dead.
That's not the first time I've heard a dead man talk to me.
Tex knew that he had to track down this Ellie at some point and somehow, but how to track down Ellie? Well, Tex had an idea.
I have an idea.
He would get Ellie to take out an insurance policy on Tex.
Yeah, Doc, I'm gonna do right by you. I'm not gonna let your death be in vain. I am going to take out a policy on my... Nope.
Take out a policy on yourself, Tex. Go for it.
I'm gonna take out a life insurance policy on myself.
And name Ellie the beneficiary.
And name Ellie the beneficiary.
Chapter 3. It's State Farm Life Insurance. She is sitting there with Jake, taking out a policy.
So I've come to get a policy.
Okay.
A life insurance policy.
Okay.
A big one.
A really big one, okay? Who would you like the beneficiary to be?
Ellie
MacGyver.
McGibbon. Nope, that was the doctor.
MacGyver.
Well, you've been hitting the whiskey pretty hard today, haven't you?
That's every day, and it's nothing to you.
Ellie MacGyver.
Back in her apartment, Ellie MacGyver got notice that a new life insurance policy had been taken out, with her as the beneficiary.
Checking my email. New life insurance, but I haven't even scammed anyone recently.
But she
That's
didn't care, she was
fortuitous.
going to kill that person anyway.
Best to do what I do.
Chapter 4. Tex is settling down with a bottle of scotch for the evening.
Ah, I'm gonna just sit and watch some unsolved mysteries. With this bottle of scotch. In my highly flammable, shag rug carpeted living room.
Ellie is scaling the walls of Tex's apartment building.
No danger here for Tex.
Oh, I should have just taken the stairs. What is wrong with me?
Ellie finally reaches the window and looks in.
Ha!
Ha!
You tripped my hair wire.
Ben, you've been hitting the whiskey pretty hard.
I rigged that window up. You see,
This is the first one of Tex's schemes that had ever actually worked. He tried to hide his surprise.
I'm not surprised that I'm really good at this.
Of course you're not. Why even mention that?
Well, maybe you'll be surprised by this, because I'm actually Dr. McGibbon.
Dr. McGibbon? Dr. McGibbon, how did you get in here?
Never mind that. I'm here for the insurance premium, but most importantly, I am here to make sure that you do not write a biography of me after this is all done.
Wait, you're here for the premium or for the pay?
Just shut up!
You're here for the premium. I've got 50.
I've spent all the money on the costume.
They sat there arguing for hours as Ellie slowly slipped out and got away.
You don't know. No, we're bad.
3 hours later,
It's me!
3 hours
From
later,
State Farm.
That's the red shirt guy.
Yes.
You are not going to believe this. I have entirely forgotten which one of us is the criminal.
Ellie is the criminal and she had escaped.
Oh, she's gone. We don't need to worry about that anymore.
Well, what you do need to worry about is that I'm not who you think I am. I'm the author. Therefore, this is entirely unauthorized. The end.